Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by fixing the visual foundation. Open View and switch to the simplified ribbon to reduce clutter, or Classic if you need full controls. Then pick a theme, colorful for visual cues, dark gray to reduce eye strain, or high contrast for clarity. Once done, move the reading pane to right or bottom, or turn it off if you prefer separate windows. This immediately changes how much content you see at once and speeds up scanning. Next, refine density and typography so messages are easier to parse. Reduce message preview to 0 for compact lists or add 1 to 2 lines for context. Change compact versus single line spacing to fit more or breathe. Then customize columns and grouping to surface sender, date, or attachments first. Finally, set specific font sizes for the reading pane, message list, and compose windows so headers and bodies are balanced and legible. This improves scanning and reduces misreads. Finish by polishing small but powerful settings. Enable focused inbox to prioritize important mail, and configure swipe actions or quick steps for one-touch triage. Use conversation settings and conditional formatting to color code threads and highlight flagged or unread items so you spot priorities fast. If something looks wrong, reset the current view or restart Outlook. If issues persist, disable suspicious add-ins. This often resolves layout corruption and restores expected behavior while keeping your improved.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.